And welcome back. We are joined by Dr. Timothy Jochen, and he is going to discuss men's skincare with us because it actually is quite fascinating for a lot of us ladies that have special guys in our lives, and for a lot of guys with special guys in their lives. They want to take care of their skin for, well, because we've known for years, as I said before, women know what to do, or we think we do. But how do we help our guys?
Right. Well, men are a lot different. Men do not like to use products. Women love to use products. Guys like to keep it simple. And one of the big reasons is that our skin is different. We produce more oil and we sweat a lot more, so we don't like to have things on our skin.
Right.
So what I like to tell men
So that explains why men aren't spending an extra hour in the bathroom putting on makeup every morning, right?
Exactly, exactly. Women come to me and they're like, I want an eye cream, I want a day cream, I want a night cream, I want this cream, and I want a cream to take everything off. So with guys, we really want to keep it simple.
Okay.
So what I like for men is I like things that they're not going to feel on their skin. So I like more gel-based products than creamy-based products. But I also like combination products for men. So most men are going to use a cleanser on their skin. You know, so what I like is a combination product that has glycolic acid and salicylic acid in it, because these are exfoliating agents and they will actually scientifically transform your skin.
Will it minimize the amount of oil then on the skin?
Exactly, because guys are perspiring more and they have more oil on their skin, so we want something that'll take that off. And it'll also stimulate collagen, which means less fine lines and wrinkles.
Oh.
So I love that.
I bet.
And then for every person, I think that Retin-A or Tretinoin is the best thing.
But I have a question about that.
Yes,
I'm sorry to jump in on you,
yeah,
but
of course.
here in the desert with the sunshine, everybody knows Retin-A causes, like, you have to be concerned when you're out in the sun then about burning easily.
Well, you know, that's a myth, actually.
Really?
What it does is it actually takes off the superficial layer of your skin, but it reduces fine lines and wrinkles and also evens out your skin tone. But with this product, all you have to do is be careful with your sun protection. So it doesn't really make you more photosensitive or anything like that.
Very interesting.
So, you know, this is really the fountain of youth. So
okay,
everyone should use this product.
Everybody may have known it, but now we know differently.
Yes, yes. So you just have to use your sun protection. And that's another essential product that men should be using as well as women. And why? Because it minimizes your risk of getting skin cancer, but it also protects your skin from premature aging. So everyone cares about that.
Absolutely.
So that's essential. But one of my favorites, and I was telling you about that, is this is a hair pill. Because
listen up, guys. This is
studies
interesting.
show that men, their #1 invasive cosmetic procedure that they get done is hair transplantation. So we want hair on our head, but we also, the number 2 non-invasive surgical procedure is hair removal. So guys care about their hair on their body and on their head. So
they want less hair on their body, but more hair on their head.
Exactly.
Correct?
Exactly.
It's no longer the 70s, the big hairy chest with
right.
the gold chains is not playing anymore.
Right. And you see guys that are manscaping now, you know, they're trimming their body hair. And
this will work for that.
This product I love because it actually stimulates hair growth on your head. And it also, the other side effect it has is it takes some of your hair away in your body.
Crazy, it's a smart pill.
And so actually a lot of my hair on my body is gone because of this pill.
Is that only by prescription though?
This is a prescription product, so you want to see your dermatologist about this product.
Well, we have to wrap things up, but a lot of these products are over the counter. You can find them over the counter, or you can talk to Dr. Timothy Jochen. And we're going to talk weather when we return.